Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Litecoin wallet address to Trust Wallet. For that, launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and then tap on this circle in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, as we want to add our Litecoin wallet address, you just have to simply search for Litecoin over here. Once you are able to find Litecoin, you just have to turn the toggle button right next to it. And once it turns green, it simply means that you have successfully added it on the homepage of your Trust Wallet. Now, with the help of your homepage, you can directly get access to the Litecoin. So in order to find the Litecoin wallet address, you just have to tap on it and then, to tap on the receive button. Once you tap on the receive button, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the Litecoin deposit address, which you can use in order to deposit your Litecoin into your Trust Wallet. You can even get a lot of other options like send, swap, buy and sell. So if this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe Softpro. We make easy to understand tutorials about business, project management, softwares, social media apps, and more. Softpro dream to 100,000. Thanks for watching.